What's up everyone, my name is Nathan and today I'm going to teach you how to make a face mask with no tools, no sewing, no glue, pretty much nothing. All you're going to need to make this mask is a piece of fabric and 2 elastic bands. That's all you're going to need. So once you lay out a piece of fabric like this, you want to sort of like understand what is the length between the middle of your nose and your chin. So here it's about half of this. So I'm going to cut half of this fabric. So once you have it laid out like this, you want to add the 2 elastic bands to each end. So here's one. So don't worry if it looks funky right now, it doesn't matter. And here's 2. Sort of like add them a bit deeper. There you go. So it looks like this, almost like a candy. And what you want to do is fold this here in. Okay, fold this in. And fold this one in as well. So, I'm going to make it look cleaner, but you can use any fabric for this. T-shirt, jersey. This is a shoe bag I've recycled. And pretty much you're going to put it inside your face like this. And because your face is going to press down, it won't bother you. So you're going to put it like this, press your face around it, use the elastics here, put them around your ear, and then you can just like sort of fix it at your own pace. It's actually really good because there's a fold here, and there's not much of a gap here. And here it's nice and tight, and here as well it's nice and tight. It's pretty much cool. Why is this a great option instead of sewing is, well, I spent like hours making masks for myself, for my family here, and it just takes a lot of time and you sort of have to reuse them. Whereas these, they might not look as pretty, it looks pretty ugly, is that after you're done, you can just get the elastics back, throw this, and just have another one ready. And you can do this with all t-shirts. You can do this with shoe bag fabric. Look, this is fabric from an old t-shirt. I can just cut it real quick. Like I have like this excess fabric that I will never use, right? Because it's a corner. Just snap it. It will take me literally 2 minutes, 2 seconds, like 2 minutes to do it. Boom. So I have my piece of fabric. It's actually not that large, but I think it would fit. Put the elastic band in it, fold it. Put the elastic band, fold it. Boom. Boom. And boom. Well, this one doesn't fit me, but actually it does. It's cool. Yeah, it's not as big as I wanted, but maybe for my mom, or if you have a small sister or brother, this could fit. It took me 10 seconds, something you can do right before doing your groceries, something you can do right before heading out, and it can literally save lives, and it can literally save yours. So use it. Don't worry about fabric. You'll get new t-shirts. You'll get time to go shopping after this mess. And yeah, if you don't have elastic bands, you should go ahead and watch my old video, which is like masks DIY, and I literally use shower cap elastics. So literally anything can work. Please, it takes you 2 seconds to do it, and yeah, it could literally save lives.